Hypnosis Bootcamp Review. Hypnosis Bootcamp teaches you how to use hypnosis to achieve different goals. Hypnosis Bootcamp has different versions for people who want to lose weight, improve brain power, become wealthier, increase self-confidence and achieve other benefits. What is a Hypnosis Bootcamp? How does it work? Please keep watching to find out all about it in this review. What is a Hypnosis Bootcamp? Hypnosis Bootcamp is a hypnosis and NLP training program available online at hypnosisbootcamp.com. It contains 5 Hypnosis Bootcamp programs: brain power, wealth, self-confidence, weight loss and the law of attraction. Using powerful NLP techniques, this transformative program instills powerful beliefs, recreates thought patterns and creates lasting habits. How does Hypnosis Bootcamp work? Hypnosis Bootcamp takes you through a 7-day program that includes hypnosis. Each package contains 7 30-minute audio files. You will listen to the 30-minute audio file daily, and the files use hypnosis for powerful effects. Available Hypnosis Bootcamp programs include Law of Attraction Bootcamp, Brain Power Bootcamp, Weight Loss Bootcamp, Wealth Bootcamp, Confidence Bootcamp. The Hypnosis Bootcamp allows you to achieve a wide range of benefits by listening to it for a few minutes daily. By listening to each 30-minute audio file daily, you can use the power of hypnosis to become happier, healthier or wealthier. Hypnosis Bootcamp programs. For example, Brain Power Bootcamp is a week-long intensive, at-home MP3 hypnosis program designed to boost your brain's potential in short minutes a day. Brain Power Bootcamp is guaranteed to help you increase your memory, increase your thinking speed, increase your brain power, improve your creativity, sharpen your mind, memorize facts, figures and dates at will. Wealth Bootcamp. Be comfortable with money. Have confidence in yourself financially. Naturally, attracts wealth. Easily save, invest and grow dollars. Enjoy total financial freedom. With the help of the Confidence Bootcamp. Effortlessly create unlimited self-confidence. Unlock your full potential. Realize any dream, goal or ambition. Gain control of your thoughts. Overcome obstacles and roadblocks. Manifest personal and professional success. Lose weight with Bootcamp. Effortlessly remove unnecessary fat from your body. Start losing weight faster than usual. Love your body, love yourself. The Law of Attraction with Bootcamp. Make the law of gravity automatic. Become more positive and grateful. Become more optimistic, and take advantage of the unlimited possibilities. Enjoy wealth and abundance. Discover your passions and paths. Manifest powerful transformations. Pros. Easy to use. They provide a 365-day guarantee. Great customer service. It works. Helps you achieve your goals. Increases your self-confidence. More positivity. It helps you to be calm. Based on research. Cons. There are only 5 bootcamp offerings. Conclusion. Hypnosis Bootcamp uses the power of hypnosis to help you achieve practical benefits in critical areas of your life. If you are struggling with weight loss, memory problems, low self-confidence, or unhappiness, this program is for you. Thank you for watching.